Story time. A guy didn't have all the money and skill he needed at the time, but he had a particular quality that if you ever lack, you'll be stranded even if you have all the money and skill. At the end of this video, I'll be asking to know if you can tell me what that particular quality is without me having to mention it, right? So here is what happened. He was living in a community where this particular meal is well loved by everybody, but not many know how to prepare it. And so he will walk around to ask if people will want to learn, and he got about 20 people willing to learn how to prepare this meal. Then he got them registered for the training for 10,000 naira per person. And then he will walk up to a chef who knows how to prepare this meal. And guess what? This chef has a monthly pay of 50,000 naira. But then he will get her to train these people for 50,000 naira for just one day. So she is making on a single day what she normally makes on a monthly basis. And so she obliged to come. And then the training started. Remember, 20 people registered for the training. But guess what? 21 persons were in attendance. Who was the 21st person? This guy himself. So he took a seat and sat in the class. Remember where we started? He didn't have money and he didn't have skill to begin with, but he had a quality that was able to help him produce the money and the skill he never had initially. Because by the time he was done paying this chef 50,000 naira, he had over 150,000 to go home with. So at the end of the training, everybody came thanking him. And he would do this for the second time, for the third time. By the fourth time, he would do it again. But this fourth time, he needed not to invite any chef from outside because a new chef had emerged. He was now the one training the people. So this guy moved from not having any money and skill to having enough money and the skill he needed. What is that one quality that this guy had? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next video.